Students, today we will continue exercise 1.4's solutions. We have done this exercise before and exercise 1.4 also, but I'll tell you because you were having some doubts in this exercise. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. This nearest tens. 58 will be 60 because you know this is nearest tens means this number we have to check out, and before this number this is 8 which is greater than 5, so this will change automatically. It will be 60 because you can see this 58 is nearest to 60. Okay, now this is 619, this also nearest 10, this number is tens, and we have to see this number which is greater than 5, so it will also change this and it becomes 20. Here also this is number tens 3, and we have to check this number which is less than 5, so it will not change anything in the 3 and this will become only 0 and it becomes 230. Now comes to the next question. It's 2934, which is we have to do in nearest thousand. So according to thousand, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, this is the thousand and we have to see this number. 9 is greater than 5, so it becomes this automatically 3 and all the other numbers 0. Now next number is this is also 3. You can see this is also greater than 5, so this becomes 3000. Now here this is also 1000 and we have to see this number which is greater than 5, so it is become 8000. Remember one thing, when it is more than 5 it pluses 1 in the values place and makes other numbers 0. Like you can see this is greater than 5, it's adding one number in this, it becomes 3 and all the other numbers are 0 in this. This is the round off, the easiest way to do the round off. And when it is less than 5, so we should not do any changes in this. Like we'll take the example again, I will tell you. See, this is nearest lakhs, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and this is lakh. So this is 5. 5 is there, it means we have to do in this increment. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Here is 0. You can see this is 0. Lakh place is 0. So this will be greater than 5 and we have to add 1 in this. That's why it becomes 1 lakh. Because this is 65,000 and we were not having anything on the lakhs place, so we will keep it as 0. And we'll see this, and this is more than 5, so we'll put 1 in this and all the other digits will be 0. So it becomes 1 lakh. Same in this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now this is also 5, so we have to change it, plus 1 in this, it becomes 3 and all the other numbers 0. The fourth question is estimate the following sum. Now this is also very easy. You have to just estimate it. This is 3 and before this number is 2, which is less than 5, so this become only 3. We will not change anything in this, just keep this zeros too. And then this 569. You can see this number is greater than 5, so we have to change in this, and we have added in this 1 and all the numbers become 0, so this becomes 600. So 300, 600 plus 90. Same in this is 7 more than 5, so this becomes 500. This is less than 5, so it becomes 300, and then addition 800. Now in this also you can see this is less than 5, so it will not have any change in this, and other numbers become 0. And in this is 5, so this becomes 7, and 7,000 plus 7,000 will give you 14,000. Now this is the fifth question in which many students were having problem. Because I know why they were having problem, answer at back and answer in your solution is little bit difference. See, this is fifth question. Give a rough estimate and also a closer estimate of the following sums. In this you can see you have to give a rough estimate and you have to find out the closer estimate, and you have to see the difference between them. This is 315 and this is 799. If you will change it, so simply it becomes 1500. You can see this is 1 which is less than 5, so this will remain only 300, and this is 9, it becomes 800, so it will be 11. And closer estimate, it means if we'll find closer means sabse paas, so it will be tens only, so we have to find the tens. In this it becomes 320 because this is 15 according to tens, this is the number tens, and before this number is 5, so 5 is can change this tens and it becomes 20, and this also you can see this 10 becomes, and this also tens becomes, so this will be 800. Now for add of this is 1120, and actual sum of both the numbers is 1114. So you can see three type of answers in this. This is a rough estimation, this is a closer estimation, and this is the actual addition. This is the same because at the back side it is correct, same answer, so you are not confused in this. But in this you have problem because simply we'll do the rough estimate in this. This is 355, so this will become 400. Why? Because according to 100 this is 5, so 5 makes it greater and this becomes 400. Now according to 1000 it is less than 5, so it will remain 4000, and this will become 4400. But at back it's not correct because because we can see if you have round off this number in hundreds, so this number is also rounded off till only 100. They have not used the thousand in this. It's not a big difference because you know that this is a rough estimate. The most important estimate should be the closer estimate and the actual estimate, because you cannot make a difference of 5000 or 500 estimation at the market. You will just always see the tens nearest tens estimation at the market. So the important thing which you should know is closer estimation and the actual estimation, because this is a rough estimation according to the book. So it doesn't make any difference if your answer is coming wrong in this rough estimation. Your answer should be correct at the closer estimation and the actual estimation. See, now here closer estimation will make it to the nearest tens because it is possible in the markets only. When we are purchasing something or solding something, we cannot make it till the hundred and thousands. Now this is 355. According to nearest tens, this will become 60, and this is 4358. According to tens, this will also become 60. If you do the addition of this, so you'll get 4720, and this is actual estimation of this is 4813. So you can see there is a huge difference between this rough estimation and this closer estimation, and actual estimation is just near. So this is very important to do the correct closer estimation and actual estimation. Simply you can see this numbers also. Here is the number, these are the 5-digit number, these are also 5-digit number. Here also some people are doing confusion in this, but you have to see rough estimation is not so important. The most important part is closer estimation and the actual estimation, because in that according to the backside answers key, this is making here differences or here differences like in this question. But remember, we have to do this roughly. We should not take it very difficult that this should be answer at the back, because sometimes the answers at back is also wrong. Okay, but this is a rough estimation, just don't mind it, but keep the closer estimation and actual estimation proper. At the back you can see this also. This has become also, this is 38,396. So according to nearest tens, this is, this should be checked, so this become tens, and if this become 10, so this will make it 4. Now you can add this according to nearest 10, this will be remain 60, and add this, you will get this. And in this you can see the difference between the closer estimation and the actual estimation is this actual number, actual sum. This is only enough. And you can see this also in the difference. We have subtracted this till 900 and this remain 500. The difference is 400. When we did the closer estimation nearest tens, so this become 330, and you can see the difference between this closer estimation. And simply you can do this question also. In this also subtraction, this will become 7000, this will become remain 2000, and the difference is 5000. Now closer estimation of this is 5180 according to the nearest 10, and actual difference between this is same. Sometimes it comes same. Okay, now you can see this is exercise 1.5. Simply you have to do the products, nearest hundreds, division, These are very simple question according as same as 1.4. Estimation of the product, first we'll see this is 700, so we can see this, it will be 800 into this is 2, it means less than 5, so this will be remain 300. So you can see you will get in this simple. This is same, we cannot change in this anything, so it will remain 7. Now this will be 9, so this will be 63, this will be 90, and this will be 30. Simply you have to do this in hundreds, so you can do this in hundreds. This also very easy. This is 100, you can see, and this is 30. Now you can divide it. This is 90, divide by 40. Now this is 3000, divide by 60. Like you have to do this, and in this you can see 527 sweets were distributed equally 17 students. How many sweets did each student get? Do the do the actual sum and the closer sum in this, so you will get the difference also, and your estimation will be also there. I will suggest you to do the closer estimation and the actual also division in this, so you can get the difference between the what is the difference between the actual solution and what is the difference between the this estimation. So I hope you all understand this exercise 1.4 and 1.5. There is no more doubts in this, and if you have any doubts in this or exercise, any other exercise, so you can uh, tell the teachers.